Hey guys, it's Remo, and here's this week's update from our team. We want to start off by saying a happy early Valentine's Day. Wishing you guys a happy and safe Valentine's Day with your loved one and loved ones. We also want to congratulate one of our sellers, our out-of-state sellers that recently sold and relocated to Nashville. So Jeffrey, Laura, congratulations. We often also get asked, is it a good time to sell during COVID and what that looks like? And so if you're interested, we'd love the opportunity to kind of show you the safeguards that are out there to help you successfully sell and still get top dollar in this market that is just insane right now, where there's very few homes for sale. So those that are available for sale tend to go well above the asking price. And the last thing we'd like to kind of update you on is that whole ADU thing, our workshop that we put together. We actually have this one for this month tomorrow, Saturday the 13th. So if you're interested in learning how to really reduce your mortgage by building this ADU, or potentially not even having a mortgage, having a renter that that you can build a unit and put them in to offset your mortgage, this is definitely a good opportunity for you to learn how to do that. So if you're interested, there'll be a link somewhere here or below. We'd love to see you there. All the best, and again, happy Valentine's Day from our team.